In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Moosend account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Moosend. You can type the brand name into your preferred search engine, or enter the official website directly if you know it. Take a moment to ensure you're heading to the legitimate site. Look for a secure connection and the correct URL so you're signing up in the right place. On the homepage, find and click the official result that leads to Moosend's site. Double-check that you're not on an ad or a lookalike page. Once you're on the real homepage, locate the option to start a free trial. It's usually labeled Start Free or something similar and will take you into the sign-up flow. When prompted, enter your business email address and click Continue. Using a business email helps with deliverability and keeps your marketing communications professional. Make sure you have access to this inbox, as you'll need it for verification shortly. Next, you'll be asked for your login domain and a password. Then you'll click Register. Your login domain is typically the unique account identifier or workspace name you'll use to access your Moosend account. Choose something relevant to your company. For the password, create a strong, unique one with a mix of characters and store it securely. You'll then provide your first and last name, along with your country code and mobile number. This information helps with account security and support. Ensure your phone number is accurate and accessible in case Moosend uses it for verification or important notifications. After that, add your company name and address. Include the full address details, street, city, state, or region, and postal code. This helps with compliance and future billing, and it ensures your account information is consistent across communications. Moosend will also ask a few questions about your business, such as your industry, company size, how many subscribers you have, and whether you sell online. Answer as accurately as possible. These details help tailor your onboarding experience and improve recommendations and deliverability settings. Now, check your email for an activation link from Moosend. If you don't see it in your inbox within a couple of minutes, take a look in your spam or promotions folder. Open the message and click the activation link to confirm your account. If necessary, return to the sign-up page and use the option to resend the email. Once your email is verified, your account is ready to use. You can log in with the details you just created and start exploring Moosend's dashboard, knowing your setup is complete and your account information is properly configured.